friends. Today, I want to tell you a story. A calm, hopeful, meaningful story about the power of a positive mind. There was a boy named Arjun. Arjun was intelligent, but Arjun often thought negatively. When something went wrong, he said, I am unlucky. I cannot do this. Nothing good happens to me. Because of these thoughts, he felt weak. He felt tired. He stopped trying. One day, his teacher gave the class a task. They had to solve a difficult problem. Arjun looked at the problem and said immediately, "This is too hard." He did not even try. His teacher noticed him and came near. She said softly, "Arjun, before saying I cannot, try saying I will try." Arjun looked at her quietly. She continued, "Your mind is like soil. If you plant negative thoughts, you grow fear. If you plant positive thoughts, you grow courage." She smiled and said, "Say this with me. I can try." Arjun whispered, "I can try." He tried the problem slowly, step by step. He made mistakes, but he kept going, and finally, he solved it. He felt surprised. He felt proud. That day, Arjun learned something important. Positive thinking does not make things easy, but it makes you stronger. From that day, whenever life was hard, Arjun changed his words. Instead of saying, "I can't do this," he said, "I will try." And slowly, his life began to change. Final message, my friends, this story is for you too. Your mind is powerful. Your thoughts shape your life. Choose hope, choose belief, choose positivity. Ending line. Thank you for listening. Keep learning English. Keep thinking positively. And always remember, a positive mind creates a positive life.